Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Get ready for some explosive fun today, because we're diving into the exciting world of DIY volcanoes. We're not just doing one, but two amazing eruption experiments. First up, we've got the classic baking soda and vinegar volcano, a true crowd pleaser. You'll see how quickly these simple household ingredients can create a foamy, bubbling lava flow right before your eyes. It's super easy, super safe, and always puts a smile on everyone's face. But wait, there's more for our second eruption. We're leveling up the fun with a different secret ingredient that creates an even bigger, more dramatic spectacle. You won't want to miss how these two eruptions compare. Which one will be your favorite? These are fantastic projects for curious minds of all ages, perfect for a rainy afternoon or a science fair. So, let's get messy and make some awesome volcanoes. Hope you loved watching these eruptions as much as I loved making them. If you had a blast, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome DIY experiments, and let me know in the comments which volcano was your favorite. See you next time.